My name is Jessica Quay. I work as a Tim Hortons Guest Services representative in Oakville, Ontario. At Guest Services, we're here to help our guests with any questions, concerns, or feedback they may have. Every year we get about 100,000 inquiries or requests from our guests, and they reach out to us across North America and internationally as well. We're always here to listen and get the answers they're looking for.
I'm Jean Sauvé, and I'm a bilingual guest services representative with Tim Hortons in Oakville, Ontario. I think most people would agree that being bounced around is one of the most frustrating things when you contact any large corporation. And what sets us apart is we really try to be and strive to be a single point of contact for our guests.
At Guest Services, we get a wide range of inquiries, ranging from nutritional questions to compliments where team members have remembered our guests' names, even to couples wanting to take their wedding photos at the restaurant where they met. We have many ways that guests can reach out to us. In our restaurants, we have our comment cards and also a telltimhortons.com online survey. This feedback goes directly to our restaurant owners, so when possible, they can assist and directly resolve the matter. Recently, our guests are also connecting with us through Facebook and Twitter.
I think it's important to remember that every time a guest contacts us, their feedback is valuable. And once they get to a specific service representative, we want them to be able to get resolution for their problem. And if we can't do it quickly with that particular rep, we will do the legwork to get the answer they need, but they will still only have dealt with that one service representative.
We're working to continually improve, and we're doing that by investing in the best people and the best systems so we can streamline our process and provide a meaningful experience for our guests. I'm Jessica Quay, and I'm making a true difference by being there for our guests.